Many of our face-to-face activities have printable cards that you can use in the classroom. This activity has question cards and headband cards. If you'd like to make changes to these, the PDF won't let you edit them, so you'll want to see if there's a template available. By the end of the year 2021, we should have templates available for all the activities in OER Commons. If the activity is not available for the activity you're hoping to use yet, simply email us at pathwaysproject@boisestate.edu and we'd be happy to send you an editable version. This activity does have the template already included, so I'm going to go ahead and click on headband cards. And what it'll do is it'll tell me a template is available for you to use. Start designing now. This is using a free online tool called Canva. There's no subscription required, but you will need to sign up for a free account. I'm going to go ahead and say use template. And then what's really nice here is you'll notice that everything on this page is editable. So if for some reason I wasn't using biología in my classroom, I could come in here and change this to a different subject. And I can also replace the pictures. To replace the picture, I can come over here to Photos and I can search for a free photo. Or I can also come here to Uploads and I can upload my own picture. I'm going to go ahead and use a free picture and I'll go ahead and choose this one here. And then I'll simply drag it on top of the koala bear to replace the picture. If I'd like, I can even double click on the picture and I can adjust it a little bit. When I am ready to print these, all I have to do is come up here to the download button, and then I can choose to download these as a PDF for printing. And I can choose to download all the pages or just select pages and hit download. It'll download a copy that I can print and use in my classroom.